Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that I know many of you have been curious about. Ever wondered how to make her miss you like crazy? It's a question that has crossed the minds of many, and for good reason. I'm here to share 7 foolproof ways that will have her thinking about you all day long. These tips are not just about playing games, but about creating a genuine connection that she will cherish. Let's dive right in. Ready? Here we go. Number 1. Keep her on her toes. Don't always be available. This doesn't mean you should ignore her, but rather, don't be at her beck and call every single moment. If you're always there, you'll become predictable. Predictability can lead to boredom, and that's the last thing you want. Cancel plans occasionally and mix things up to keep her guessing. This unpredictability will keep her intrigued and wanting more. She'll be missing your spontaneity in no time. The excitement of not knowing what comes next can be very alluring. Next up, number 2, focus on your own life and passions. When you have your own interests and goals, it shows that you are a well-rounded individual. When you're thriving in your career, hobbies, or personal projects, it shows that you have a fulfilling life. This is incredibly attractive and makes her want to be a part of it. She'll admire your drive and miss being a part of it. Your passion and dedication will make her see you in a new light. Number 3, don't reveal everything about yourself right away. A little mystery goes a long way in keeping her interest piqued. Keep some things to yourself and let her curiosity grow. This will make her want to know more about you, keeping you on her mind. When she doesn't know everything, she'll miss the excitement of discovering new things about you. The element of surprise can be very powerful. Moving on to number 4, don't make it too easy for her. A little bit of challenge can make things more interesting. Keep things playful and flirty, and don't be afraid to tease her a bit. This kind of interaction can create a fun and engaging dynamic. Women love a man who can challenge them intellectually and emotionally. This kind of connection is deeper and more meaningful. She'll miss the thrill of the chase. The excitement of not having everything handed to her will make her appreciate you more. Number 5, show her genuine care and attention when you're together. This means being present and attentive to her needs and feelings. Little acts of kindness and thoughtful gestures go a long way. These small actions can make a big impact on how she feels about you. She'll miss the way you make her feel special and appreciated. This emotional connection is what will make her long for your presence. Number 6, make her laugh and enjoy your time together. Laughter is a powerful tool in building a strong connection. A man who can make her laugh is worth missing. Humor can create memorable moments that she'll think about when you're not around. So don't take yourself too seriously and keep things lighthearted. This will make your time together enjoyable and memorable. Finally, number 7, this one's crucial, guys. Respect her independence and give her the time to miss you. Everyone needs their own space to grow and reflect. When you step back, she'll have the chance to realize how much she values your presence. Absence truly does make the heart grow fonder. Alright, let's recap. Here are the 7 ways to make her miss you badly. Be unpredictable, stay busy, be mysterious, be a challenge, be kind and thoughtful, have a great sense of humor, and give her space. These tips are all about creating a balanced and engaging relationship. Follow these tips, and I guarantee she'll be missing you like crazy in no time. Remember, it's all about creating a meaningful connection that she will cherish. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, let me know in the comments which tip you're gonna try first. Your feedback means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to stay tuned for more great content. Till then, stay awesome, guys. Catch you later. Keep being the best version of yourself.